Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Wiki. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Android TV on your PC or laptop. So let's start the video. So first of all we need to go to disk management. Now from here we need to create a space where we will install the Android TV. So in C drive I will take 6 GB of partition and I will create a new partition from here so that I can install the Android TV on this disk. So I will take 6 GB space from here. So as you can see 6 GB partition has created. Now we have to assign a disk name and then we have to give a name Android TV so that we can remember it when we install the Android TV. Now we'll click next. Now click finish. So as you can see 6 GB space has created. Now we need to download the ISO file of Android TV. So we need to open any browser. We need to go to Internet Archive to download the ISO file. I'll give the link on the description box. So we need to go to this website. Now we have to scroll down. Now here we need to click on ISO image. Now from here we need to download the ISO file of Android TV, this file. So we have to click on download. As you click on the file, it will download the file automatically. So as you can see, the download has started. So we have to wait for some time to finish the download. So we have downloaded the file here and we need another thing, Rufus, to make the ISO file. So I'll give the link of Rufus in the description box. Now we need to connect a pen drive here in our laptop or PC. So let's connect it. So as you can see, we have connected the pen drive. Now we have to open Rufus. Now I have to click on select. Now from here we need to go to the ISO file and we have to select the ISO file. Now I have to click on start. Before starting, we can rename the pen drive name as Android TV. So we can rename it and then we can click start. It will give us the warning, it will format the pen drive, so we'll have to click OK. Now it will take some time to create a bootable pen drive for Android TV. So we have to wait for some time. So we are almost done. So as you can see, the bootable pen drive is ready now. So if we go to this PC, we can see from here it is created two partitions. So this is our bootable pen drive. Now to close it. Now we need to restart our PC or laptop. So let's restart it. So after restart, we need to press the boot key of this laptop. When you install this in your laptop or PC, please see the boot key of your laptop. So I will press escape because my laptop boot key is escape. Now from here you need to select the pen drive. So our pen drive is the second one. So you have to select the pen drive and you have to press enter. After pressing enter, as you can see, our installation has now started. So you have to select on the installation and you have to press enter again. So our installation has started. Now from here we need to select the Android disk which we made earlier, the 6 GB space. So you have to select and you have to press OK. Now we need to format the partition which we made. So we'll format it as ext4 format. So we have to select ext4. Now we have to press OK. Now we have to press yes. Now the format is finished. Now we have to select yes here. So the installation has started. We have to wait for some time to finish the installation. So our installation has finished. Now we will give an option to start the Android TV. So you have to press OK. Now we have to set up the Android TV. As you can see, we have successfully installed it. Now we have to set up the Android TV here. Now from here we need to select the language. We'll select English. Now we'll select it. Now we'll escape this process. Now we need to connect our Wi-Fi to finish the setup. So we'll select our Wi-Fi and we'll connect it. You have to give the password of our Wi-Fi. You have to select next. Now it will take some time to connect. Now our Wi-Fi is successfully connected. Now it is checking the updates. So now we have to sign in with our Google account. So we'll give our Google account here. Now we'll give our password and we'll have to log in. We have to accept the terms and condition. Now have to finish the setup. Now we have to give our Android TV a name, so we'll keep Android TV here. So as you can see, we have successfully finished the setup. Now we'll give the final touch here. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Android TV in our laptop. So from here we can go to YouTube, we can install apps. If we go back, we can go to Play Store and we can install any app from here. Now we can go back. So if you want to go to our Windows from here, so we need to click on the setting option and we need to click on restart. Now we have to select on restart. After restarting, we need to select on Windows at HD1. Now it will take some time. Now as you can see, our Windows has successfully booted up. So this is how you can install Android TV on your laptop, and you can also use both Windows and Android TV in one laptop. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.